Hello, food lovers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a culinary journey to Greece, exploring one of its most beloved dishes, pastitsio. But that's not all. We'll also unveil some unknown facts and delicious secrets about this mouth-watering Greek classic. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started with the secrets, let's have a closer look at what pastitsio is. Pastitsio's roots can be traced back to ancient Greece, where a similar dish called lasagna was prepared with layers of pasta and meat. The modern name, pastitsio, is believed to have been inspired by the Italian pasticcio, which means a mess or mixture. We've got al dente pasta, seasoned ground meat, often beef or lamb, and a creamy bechamel sauce, all baked to perfection. The secret spice that elevates pastitsio's flavor is cinnamon and nutmeg. These warm spices are often added to the meat mixture, lending it a unique depth of taste. Instead of regular macaroni, pastitsio traditionally uses a thicker pasta called bucatini. Its hollow center absorbs more sauce, making each bite even more delectable. To make this dish even more irresistible, Greeks often add a generous layer of cheese on top before baking. Here's another fascinating fact: pastitsio isn't the same all over Greece. Some regions use different spices or meats, while others may add vegetables like eggplant or zucchini. In Greece, pastitsio is often served on special occasions, such as weddings and Easter. It's a dish that brings families together and embodies the spirit of Greek hospitality. Here's an interesting tidbit. The name, pastitsio, can be spelled in various ways, including pastikia or pastisi. Pastitsio isn't just for meat lovers. There are delightful vegetarian and vegan versions of this dish available. They often use lentils, mushrooms, or plant-based proteins for a satisfying twist. The flavors meld together beautifully, making it a fantastic leftover meal. It's a dish that carries a sense of tradition and love. If you ever have the chance to attend a Greek festival, make sure to try their pastitsio. It's a staple at these events and a fantastic way to experience Greek culture. To achieve that perfect balance of flavors, make sure to season your meat well and allow the spices to meld. And when making the bechamel sauce, always whisk continuously to avoid lumps. While pastitsio is known for its rich and indulgent flavors, it also offers some surprising health benefits. The dish is a good source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making it a satisfying and nutritious meal choice. Getting the layers just right and achieving that perfect golden crust can be a fun but tricky adventure. Pastitsio isn't just a dish, it's a symbol of Greek culture and the warmth of its people. It's often associated with celebrations, gatherings, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. Beyond Greece, pastitsio has influenced dishes worldwide. In Egypt, you'll find macarona bechamel, a pasta casserole heavily influenced by pastitsio. Greek cuisine has given us many incredible ingredients, and you can often find these treasures in pastitsio. Don't be shy about adding some olives, feta cheese, or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to your plate for that extra Greek touch. Let's not forget the unsung heroes, Greek grandmothers. Many of us have fond memories of our yayayas, grandmothers, making pastitsio with love. They've handed down these recipes, keeping traditions alive. To truly appreciate pastitsio, let's take a moment to highlight some of its star ingredients. Fresh tomatoes, aromatic spices, and high-quality ground meat are essential for creating a truly authentic flavor. The art of layering is what makes pastitsio so special. It's like creating a delicious edible masterpiece. It's a match made in culinary heaven. We understand that not everyone has hours to spare in the kitchen. To save time, you can prepare certain components in advance, like the meat sauce or bechamel, making the final assembly a breeze. At weddings, pastitsio often takes center stage. It's seen as a symbol of fertility and prosperity, making it a must-have dish on the wedding banquet table. Greeks take great pride in their cooking. For those with dietary restrictions, fear not. You can still savor the flavors of pastitsio with gluten-free pasta and dairy-free bechamel. It's a dish that can be adapted to suit various needs. In Greece, pastitsio has even been linked to historical events. It's a dish that carries the spirit of resilience and freedom, Pastitsio's appeal isn't limited to Greece alone. Here's a fun idea. Why not challenge yourself and make pastitsio from scratch? As we conclude our exploration of pastitsio and its incredible journey through history, culture, and kitchens around the world, we hope you've been inspired to try this iconic Greek dish. Remember, it's not just a meal, it's a slice of life and a world of flavors in every bite. Thank you for joining us today and immersing yourself in the world of pastitsio. If you've enjoyed this video and want more gastronomic adventures, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and keep celebrating the incredible diversity of global cuisine. Thank you for watching.